Hi friends, a big namaste to you all. Are you guys missing a complete family entertainer with loads of laughter? We have this new movie Vanakkam the Maapillai, which has been directed by Rajesh and starring G.V. Prakash, Amrita Iyer, Anand Raj and Daniel Annie Pope. Friends, my new video deals with the review of this movie, and before starting the review, I would kindly request you to hit on the subscriber button for more such reviews, which would be a motivating factor for me. And also, please provide your comments on the comment section below. So let us start with the review straight away. The movie begins with two close friends, Arvind and Swami, declaring in front of their college mates that they would respect their friendship by marrying on the same day and at same wedding venue. Arvind, who works for Navy, which is 6 months work and other 6 months free, because of which his family finds it difficult to find a suitable match for him. While in his friend Swaminathan's case, marriage is almost fixed with his uncle's daughter. Now, as per their challenge, Arvind wants his friend to wait until he finds his girl, and it just happens he falls in love with Tulsi. How does Arvind manage Tulsi to fall in love with him? How does he tackle Tulsi's father, to whom he has suggested to remarry? And how does the senior Navy guy react to this proposal? How does Arvind's strict father react to their love matter? Finally, do these friends manage to keep up their challenge about their marriage on the same venue? During the first half, apart from making you laugh, the movie is high on family sentiments, where Arvind's father keeps insulting his wife on silly things. It turns out to be really funny when Arvind and Swami try to find a proposal for Tulsi's father, played by Anand Raj. After the hilarious matrimonial scene, there are some twists during the second half before ending on a heavy dose of laughter. Especially last 30 minutes, it is hugely entertaining. Even some of the serious issues like husband insulting wife throughout for some minor things and how he realizes his mistake from his son who is not able to tolerate anything against his fiancée make sense and well told. But do we find such wives in recent times who is willing to tolerate that much is debatable. There is one more topic of daughter wanting her father to move with her after the marriage but not giving any thoughts of finding a companion for him. In spite of entertainment value that movie offers, I still felt it is bit lengthy and could have been trimmed a bit. About the performances, G.V. Prakash effortlessly handles funny and serious sequences. I like the way he deals with his father when he insults Tulasi and also while his mother is admitted to the hospital. When Tulasi tries to insult him and his friend, the fitting reply that he gives is purely mass. Daniel Annie Pope shows his brilliance with his superb comic timing. When the friends return to Swami's uncle's place and they are in for a big surprise, Daniel steals the show with his melodramatic expressions, making the entire sequence thoroughly enjoyable. Also, he has perfect comic expressions, and yes, he's 100% mass. Amrita Iyer is okay and plays her part. Jay Prakash is first rate as a cribbing husband. Anand Raj is really hilarious in his new avatar of Undertaker, especially at the matrimonial office scene. Friends, if you like this review, please hit on the subscribe button for more such reviews, and thank you and have a nice day.